My name is Claudio at Claudio Outdoors. For anyone that's new here, this channel is based off anything, all thing outdoors, such as overlanding, camping, hiking, discovering new campsites, campgrounds, literally anything you name it, this channel will have it. In this video, we're going to be exploring and experiencing a beautiful state of Washington in a small city called Leavenworth. It's a German-style city we have over here. We're currently setting up camp right now. The last few things we have left is to gather firewood for a good campfire and also cook some delicious food as well. In the meanwhile, I'll show you guys the city side and then we'll jump back into the video. See you guys in a few. Thank you. Guys, so we finally gathered all the firewood that we need to get this beautiful campfire going, and as you guessed it, we're in Washington, and obviously it started to drizzle randomly. Even though the forecast said low chance of rain, it started to drizzle, unfortunately. So we installed a rain fly on a ground tent, and also we deployed the 270 awning as well to make the food in back of the vehicle and not get wet while making the food. Did I enjoy Leavenworth? It was a really beautiful scenery. It's really something different, and really recommend to visit that location. But I highly recommend visiting Leavenworth during the winter time when it's snowing and all the Christmas lights are displayed. You get like more of the Christmas theme, you can say. But it's still a really good spot to eat and just have a good time and enjoy the different environment and the different culture that city do have to provide. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this campfire going and start dinner in a few. So as we were prepping the meats and stuff, I forgot to check the temperature of the freezer. The freezer was set to 20 degrees and it literally froze all my meats, all my drinks. So we're currently waiting to defrost the meats, but everything's all good. We have plenty of sunlight, so hopefully we could get this meat to defrost so we could get it on the grill and eat some food, because I'm starving. So after an eternity, we're finally ready to grill up the steaks. So it finally defrost. We just added black pepper and salt, and we have the marinade ready. We're just gonna dip that in there for roughly 10 minutes, and then we're gonna put it on the grill and get it going. This is amazing, guys. We just finished making the first batch. We currently have another batch going currently. But this is really good. You guys can see the steak right there. Highly recommend trying this recipe. This recipe was in my previous video. It just consists of lime, orange, onions, and also black pepper and salt. I showed step-by-step tutorial of how to make this meal, but it's really good and highly recommend you guys for trying out this recipe next time you go camping. Later on, I'm gonna show you guys my setup inside the rooftop tent, how I have all the bedding setting up, and also how I have everything organized for the dogs to sleep as well. Thank you. So we're ready to perform the full walk around of the tent. We currently have the doggos eating, drinking water. They'll be fine. Alright, so what consists of the tent is my Jackery 500, which I'll turn on the lights in a few. It's a switch that I installed, a light I found on Amazon. It literally lights up the entire tent. I currently have a crate, a foldable crate, inside of the ground tent. The reason because of that is because I do have a puppy and she likes to do puppy things. I currently have my air mattress that is underneath outdoor cloth, which prevents the cold air from affecting the mattress when it is being operated. Everything looks pretty much set up already. This is how I normally sleep. Yeah. Alright, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in today's video. More content like this is on its way. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a lot of hiking, exploring the area around Leavenworth. This would be part 1 of this video. Part 2 is coming in the near future. I greatly appreciate you guys for just sticking around and watching the video, to be honest. I will appreciate any of my new viewers to like and subscribe to the video. Catch you guys next time.
What have you done to your life? Always afraid